Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I just got this Samsung. This one's the USB Type-C headset jack adapter. It says ultra high quality audio adapter, USB C to 3.5mm audio jack. At first I saw the Apple section. They have a USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack for $9. So I asked a sales associate from Best Buy to see if they have another one that's compatible with the Samsung Note 10 Plus. He told me I could use the Apple product. Oh, there was another one from Google that was on sale for only $7.99. It was original price about $12.99. So I went to the Best Buy mobile section and I asked the clerk over there, and she pointed out this one, which is special made by Samsung. So I kind of read the review on this, and then a lot of people give like a 5-star, and one of the customer give 4 because they didn't want to pay the price, because they say they paid the premium price for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Samsung should have including this adapter for free. So this one is $14.99, in case you guys are wondering how much this is. So I didn't want to pay that price. So I'm kind of debating if should I go with the Google brand for only $7.99 or Samsung. So I decided to go with Samsung because the review was pretty high on this one. So the main reason I went to shop around today was we have the $10 Best Buy reward card. So instead of paying $14.99 plus tax, minus a $10 promotional certificate, I only pay $4.99. At first, the total with tax, it came out to be like $16 and something. And because of the tax is only based on $4.99, which is 43 cents on top of that. So I end up only paying $5 and 42 cents total. So at first the cashier scanned the $10 card, and then she told me it was $16 something. I say, "What, are you kidding me? I use a $10 card, and then why do I still need to pay $16 something?" So later on, she had to type in enter the promotion card and then let it go through, and then take time to process, and then it shows only $5 something. So imagine I didn't ask her that, and I ended up paying the full price for this adapter. So anyway, today we're going to unbox this and then do a little test on this unit. So as you can see, it is taped on both sides on the corner here. Let me use my scissor to cut it out. So it's only taped around the edges that I need to cut. So there's like I'm not sure, is this a warranty instruction or what? So just gonna leave it there. So this kind of like remind me of lightning adapter to 3.5mm jack. So yeah, for this one, it's pretty expensive for my taste. So I'm glad I only paid like $5 or something. So in case you guys didn't know it, I'd test this out. That I got on eBay for only like $2 or something. It was $1.90 something plus tag. But unfortunately, with the Samsung Note 10 Plus and then Google Pixel 4, they require like a digital. So they must have some kind of chips in here. So the reason I brought this out because this one is for DJI Osmo Pocket. So I'm not too sure about the DJI if it's you could use this adapter or that require like a digital one like the Samsung or Google Pixel, and then you could just plug this one in for your Osmo Pocket because they have a dual mic for this special Kamika that I did unbox. I'll include a link that's going to show you within the below so you can check them out. So let's go and then test this out. Going to plug this adapter in here. If it's going to display anything on the screen or not. Because before I try to plug this one in, it says not compatible. I had to use the digital one. So I got the speaker right here. I'm going to power on to test out. When I connect this directly to the 3.5mm jack.
Power on. Bluetooth already opened.
So we're not going to use Bluetooth, so I'm going to connect this to the 3.5mm jack right here.
Now it's aux mode.
So it's in the auxiliary mode. I'm going to plug this one in. Ooh, I hear something. Let me unlock my phone with my face. So play some music. Let's see. Oh, so it does work. Yeah. Alright, so the sound quality on this one is pretty nice. So it has like a high sound quality. Let me see if I could go to setting and change it. Alright, so we're gonna go to setting. And then we'll go to sound and vibration right here. We're gonna scroll down to advanced sound setting right here. And then click on sound quality and effect. So this one right here, you could turn on the Dolby Atmos. And it allows you to change your equalizer, UHQ upscale and everything. That sound. Let's see if we could try to play it. Alright, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.